Hi there and welcome to this new video. I'm preparing for my trip to the retreat that I'm going to next week, and I have some beautiful loungewear that I'm going to be packing with me. I do have a paid partnership in this video with Lilysilk. You may have seen the video that I did with them last year, and once again they've sent me some pieces to share with you. Now you know that I don't share anything with you that I don't love myself and wouldn't buy myself, and I think you'll see when you see me styling up these pieces how thrilled I am with them. So let's get into the video. I thought I'd unbox these goodies which have just arrived from Lilysilk because I'm going to be including them within this video. Beautifully boxed like this, and you can see they've got ribbon on them, absolutely gorgeous. There's a little card in here which talks about zero waste movement. Finally, a fourth package in here. So how exciting is this? Oh, been really excited about this beautiful red cable sweater. Now I'm going to be trying all these bits on, so you will see what they're like. In this package, I think this is a little top, again all beautifully wrapped in tissue paper. This one is just a little short sleeve top, and they also come, which I think is really nice, with these folding boards, so you can keep those for folding your knitwear later. And these are a pair of gorgeous wide leg cashmere joggers, so can't wait to try those on. They feel really thick and soft. This one is a lovely cardigan. How gorgeous does that look? I can't wait to try these pieces on and style them up for you. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the pieces that I've got from Lilysilk in particular. They've sent me some lovely cashmere and wool pieces, and I have to say they are beautiful. I do love a cashmere sweater, and their cashmere is all 12 gauge cashmere, which means that it has 12 stitches or 12 rows per inch, and it's really soft on the skin. Now Lilysilk use premium quality cashmere, and it takes something like 5 goats to produce one of their beautiful sweaters. And the other great thing about it is that you can wash it in your washing machine on the hand wash program. Now Lilysilk have also very kindly given me a discount for you as well. There's 20% off everything on their site with the code MStylish20. I will put that on the screen for you as well. But without further ado, let's get into the pieces that they've sent me and how I'm styling them. So my first outfit, I've put on the red sweater, and this sweater is a cable knit. The great thing about it, I think, is that it's a red that anybody could wear. It's quite a neutral red. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. So if you're looking for a red sweater, I think this would be a really good one for you. It's 100% merino wool. It's beautifully soft, and I've just paired it with this Lilysilk shirt that I had last summer, which they still have available, and they also now have in a red and white stripe as well, so you could pop it with the red and white stripe underneath it. And then I've just popped it on with my straight leg Hush jeans and a pair of loafers, and I think this is a really nice sort of casual outfit. It's cozy, it's stylish, and I'm absolutely thrilled with this sweater. So I've come in a little bit closer so that perhaps you can see it in a little bit more detail. Now on camera it looks to me like that red is quite bright, but actually it's quite a soft, as I say, a neutral red. It's actually a really good red for all skin tones. Now for option 2, I've chosen a pair of chinos, and I've paired it with navy because of course for spring that's an absolute classic, red and navy, either with white or with a camel, and I think it just is a simple outfit but really stylish. I've got a really old navy handbag with it, which is from Lulu Guinness, and I've also paired it with this scarf, which is from our Capsule accessories range, and I've just kept the same loafers on. So another sort of smart casual look that you could pop a trench coat over if you want that really sort of classic spring look. So everything will be linked that is still available in the description box. Obviously the Lilysilk pieces will be linked for you as well, and I do have a discount code for them which I will pop onto the screen as well and in the description box. So this time I've put on the cashmere two-piece, which is just beautifully soft and cosy, and these lovely wide leg trousers. They have got a little bit of a kind of texture to them, and then this gorgeous cozy cardigan. The trousers and the top are 100% cashmere, and the cardigan is 100% wool. So they are all wool, they're all beautiful quality. I will put on the screen also the name of the items, and again, as I say, they will be linked in the description box. So you can wear the cardigan like this, just kind of long and loose, or you could put it on with the tie belt as well. So there I've just added the tie belt to it, and it's kind of like that, almost like a dressing gown in wool. So you could pop it over your nightwear if you wanted something sort of really cosy for lounging around in as well. But I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's, as I say, it's incredibly soft. It feels sort of gorgeously luxurious, and I love this kind of almost rolled edged collar to it, because I think that's really flattering as well. And in cream, obviously it will go with everything. It's perfect going into spring and for those chillier days at the moment as well. But then I would kind of dress the trousers down with a pair of trainers as well. So I'm going to pop on another outfit just with a pair of trainers so that you can see them a little bit more casually as well. So for this outfit I've put on a pair of kind of platformy trainers. The trousers are a really good length. I'm 5'6" and my legs are a little bit longer. I'm shorter in the body, so they are a great length for me. And I've just put them on with a simple striped t-shirt, and I think that's a really nice kind of running around outfit, or something like this puffer jacket, and that just makes a really kind of nice, casual, relaxed but cozy outfit. So I just wanted to show you another option with this little top, because it is the perfect little spring t-shirt. Being in cashmere, it's beautifully warm, but it's also lightweight as well, so it will take you right through those spring days. And because it's such a lovely fine knit, there's no bulkiness to it, and I really like the way that it sits so beautifully on the waistline of a skirt or a pair of trousers. And like all of their cashmere, it's machine washable on the hand wash program, so I think it's a great little option to take you through from now for layering. You could layer it under a shirt, under a cardigan, and then further on into the spring where you could just wear it on its own. And it does come in a couple of other colours as well. So it's one of Lilysilk's best sellers for this spring, for this upcoming spring season. And I think it's a great wardrobe basic that you will get so much wear out of. And one other item that is new in my wardrobe, this one isn't from Lilysilk, this is actually from the White Company, and it's this lovely double-faced wool short jacket. It's kind of the cross between a coat and a jacket. And the thing that I really liked about it, with double-faced wool, because it almost has like two pieces of wool together which sort of traps air in between them, so they're lovely and warm, but they're lightweight and there's no need for a lining. So I thought this was the kind of jacket that I could wear like this casually with a pair of trainers and a pair of joggers. But equally, I have dressed it up with more tailored trousers as well. And it would go really nicely with the jeans that I showed you a couple of weeks ago, and the denim skirt. So many things that it will go with. And being in this lovely sort of neutral taupey colour, perfect for whatever you want to pair it with colour-wise, and great for the sort of spring. So I wanted to show you that one. It is a little bit more of a premium piece, but I think it's the kind of thing, it's never going to date. It's going to go with so many things in my wardrobe. And I think it's something that I'm just going to bring out again and again. It's going to be one of those classics that will be a foundation piece in my wardrobe. Really nice shape to it as well. So a couple of other pieces that I'm going to be packing for my retreat. The joggers from Marks and Spencer's, which I mentioned last week, really nice and cosy, and these trainers which are from Mint Velvet. These aren't sort of workout trainers, these are more sort of casual when I'm around the retreat and going to some of the workshops. And then this sweatshirt, which was also from Marks and Spencer's, and this is the one that has got that little kind of drawstring to pull in to give you some shape. And then finally, I also showed you this sweatshirt last week, but these are a pair of their yoga joggers. And so I'm going to try out yoga whilst I'm at the retreat. I'm looking forward to that. But these are just going to be really comfortable for sort of sitting around in as well. They're really soft and not too heavy either. They're a slightly lighter weight jogger, and obviously if it's a little bit cooler, I've got the sweatshirt that I can pair with them as well. So those are a few of the pieces that I'm going to be packing for the retreat. So once I'm back from the retreat, I will have a video for you all about that as well, and you'll see more of what I wore and what I did whilst I was there. But I just wanted to show you these few gorgeous pieces from Lilysilk, which I think are going to be perfect for that sort of relaxing environment, cozy if it's cold, and some layers, and just things that I'm not somebody who likes to be really too casual and sloppy, so these things are perfect for me for that sort of relaxed environment but still being stylish as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed that and some of the other items that I'm going to be taking with me as well. And when I'm there, obviously I will be taking photos, I will be videoing things, so you'll be able to see how I've worn these pieces in different ways as well. And if you are interested in any of the Lilysilk items, then all of the items will be listed in the description box. Everything else that I've included in this video as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, leave me a comment. I will have more content coming up in a couple of weeks' time. When I get back from the retreat, I will be making a video all about that and some of the lessons that I've learnt as well. So for those of you who are interested in that healthy nutrition, sleep, fitness, all of that kind of thing, what I did on the retreat, I will be making a video about that whilst I'm there. And other than that, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.